seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you.
Pulled our injectors out. While they're out, we're going to give them a bit of a clean, and we're also replacing the upper and lower O-ring. So these are genuine OEM Nissan O-rings. We've also got our seating O-rings there to go inside our plenum. So yeah, literally taking our injector out, popping our bottom ring off here, and then our top ring which sits up here. And we're going to go through and replace them as they come out. And then we're going to give it a clean up, spray the rail, chuck them back in.
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over, 'cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
Righto guys, we just threw some paint onto our cast bracket, so we'll let that tack dry and then we'll chuck it on. If you look, we ended up getting our adjustable cam gears on. We threw some more color onto the block. We put our idler on. We still need to get our tensioner stud to put our tensioner on. 90mm throttle body. We resealed our injectors and chucked them on. We also, if you look back here, ended up throwing some color on our gearbox. Tell you what, it makes such a difference. So little things you guys can do while your engine is apart or your car is in pieces, just to make things look $1,000,000. Okay, it's all starting to come together. Can't wait to get some color onto these cam covers, because seriously, that will just make this engine. I'm still trying to find the bolt for our aircon. That is definitely going back on. I've had too many drift cars without aircon, and I'll tell you what, I regret it big time. So aircon is definitely going back into this car on those track days. Even then you want aircon, so definitely. Manifold, just going to reface it. Need to get a few studs for that and a few studs for the head as well, and then that can go back on. We need to shoot down to Race Car Engineering at Slacks Creek. They have all our Aeroflow and Speedflow fittings, so we'll do that, and then that turbo is ready to go onto our engine and back in. Might as well do it while it's out. It's so much easier. Boom. How hot does that look? Red and black. Seriously, I'm in love with it. Righto guys, that's about really all I'm seriously going to do today. I can't believe how much of a difference the small things have made for this engine. Guys, please drop a like. It's so easy. Drop a like and subscribe, because we're going to be doing some more cool stuff in the coming few days. All right, and you do not want to miss it out. All right.